Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest, with a diameter of about 51,000 kilometers. It is thought to consist of a dense mixture of different types of ice and gas around a solid core. Its atmosphere contains traces of methane, giving the planet a blue-green hue, and the temperature at the cloud tops is about -210 degrees centigrade. Uranus is the most featureless planet to have been closely observed. Only a few icy clouds of methane have been seen so far. Uranus is unique among the planets in that its axis of rotation lies close to its orbital plane. As a result of its extremely tilted rotational axis, Uranus rolls on its side along its orbital path around the Sun, whereas other planets spin more or less upright. Uranus is encircled by main rings that consist of rocks interspersed with dust plains and two distant outer rings made of dust. The rings contain some of the darkest matter in the solar system and are extremely narrow, making them difficult to detect. Most of them are less than 10 kilometers wide, whereas most of Saturn's rings are thousands of kilometers in width. There are 27 known Uranian moons, all of which are icy and most of which are further out than the rings. The 13 inner moons are small and dark, with diameters of less than 160 kilometers, and the 5 major moons are between 470 and 1,600 kilometers in diameter. The major moons have a wide variety of surface features. Mirinda has the most varied surface, with cratered areas broken up by huge ridges and cliffs 20 kilometers high. Beyond these are 9 much more distant moons with diameters less than 150 kilometers.